Hello, my dear students. Welcome to my channel Chalk, Chai and Zindagi. I am Charanjit Kaur, having more than 30 years of teaching experience, and in which 25 years I have been CBSE examiner. Together, I want to start our journey of English Core Class 12 made easy for you. Let us start with the writing skills, and we will learn how to write a notice. If you will follow all the CBSE tips, at the end of the lecture, writing notice will be easy for you. Now, first of all, let me ask you what is notice. For example, if you have to give this information that you people, class 11th and 12th, they are going for a picnic and you want to give them information. Now, you will not go to individual class to inform all that. What you will do is, you will put that message on the notice board for everyone to read it. So, that is why notice is written. So, we can say a notice is a formal means of communication used to inform a particular group of people about an event or an activity or an important announcement. And it is meant for specific group of people. It can be for students, it can be for teachers, it can be for residents or employees. Now let us come to the tips. What are the important tips which we have to see when we are writing a notice? Notice should give you information. It should be precise. It should be simple and have formal language. Word limit should be adhered to 50 words. And we use third person in the notice, and it should always be placed in a box. Now, according to the CBSE marking scheme, 4 marks are allotted to notice writing. 4 marks bifurcation is, for format you get 1 mark, for content you get 2 marks, and for expression 1 mark. Now, let me explain you what is format and what are the points which you have to keep in mind when you are writing a format. First of all, we will make a box. Name of the issuing authority, school or institution. You will give space. Then in the center you will write the word notice. In capital letter, okay. Then give space. Write down the date. 50 May 2026 or so. Give space. Then write down heading. Give space. Then the content will come. And in the end, once you finish with the content, writer's name and designation will come. So these are the 7 CBSE value points which you have to keep in mind when you are writing a notice. This will help you to score full mark. Format mein 1 mark you will get if you have covered all these points, right? Now, let's come to the content. Content is for 2 marks, and in this what you have to do is you have to bring WH family members here. You must be laughing, who are WH family members? Now WH family members are what, when, where, who and how. All these questions are to be answered when you are writing a notice. What means what is the event? When means when is the date and the time for the event. Where, venue, the place where it will be held. And how, follow-up details, what are the important things, what are the important instructions which are to be given in the notice. And who are the participants, organizers, people. And if there is any chief guest, then also we have to mention it. Then expression is for 1 mark, that is for your grammatical accuracy, appropriate words and spellings, coherence and relevance of idea and style. So this is 4 marks, how we bifurcate and divide, and then you get the 4 marks. So if you keep all these value points in your mind, you can score 4 out of 4. Now I will be discussing different kinds of notices, right? So that you get an idea what to write and what not to write, right? Let's see this. You are cultural secretary of Sunrise School Public School. Your school is organizing an inter-house debate competition in the school auditorium at 10 a.m. Draft a notice in about 50 words informing students of 11th and 12th to participate. Interested students should register their names with the undersigned by 20th July. your name is Ashok or Mitali. So they give two names because if you are a boy, then you will be writing Ashok, and if you are a girl, you will be writing Mitali. Now, other thing is, if you see, all the content is given in the question only. देखो बेटा अच्छे से देखो, सारा कंटेंट उसमें है. नेम ऑफ द ऑर्गेनाइजेशन है, ठीक है. उसके बाद आपके पास हेडिंग भी है कि क्या इवेंट होने वाला है, कहाँ पर होने वाला है, राइट, और कितने बजे होने वाला है, डेट एंड टाइम भी दिया हुआ. सो कंटेंट इज देयर, यू हैव टू ऑर्गेनाइज इट इन द फॉर्मेट टू स्कोर फुल मार्क्स. इजी. तो फॉर्मेट को आपने याद रखना है और ये वाला कंटेंट सारा का सारा उसमें फिक्स करना है, एंड यू कैन स्कोर 4 out of 4. So first of all, name of the organization is Sunrise Public School. Then you will write down the word notice. 15th July is the date, space, then heading inter-house debate competition. आपको दिया हुआ है. अगर आप ग्रीन मार्कर से मेरा मार्क किए हो देखो, तो कंटेंट ऑलरेडी क्वेश्चन में is given to you, right? Then all the students of 11th 12th are hereby informed that an inter-house debate competition will be held on 25th July at 10 a.m. in the school auditorium. Interested students are requested to register their names with the undersigned on or before 20th July. Now, we are allowed to use black and blue pen only in the CBSE board exam. So you should always have a black pen or a pencil to underline the value points. Just as I have underlined, you can also underline. It gives a very good impression and shows that you are confident. आपने क्या बताना है एग्जामिनर को कि मैं confident हूँ, मेरे सारे points बिल्कुल ठीक है और मैं कहीं भी गलत नहीं हूँ, right? So this is how neatly you have to make a box and write down, and in the end you will be writing Ashok or Mitali, or then your designation that you are a cultural secretary. Okay, now let's do the next one. That is, you are a head girl of Amity International School, New Delhi. A student of 12th class has lost her identity card in the school library. Draft a notice in about 50 words requesting anyone who finds the card to submit it in the school office. You are Avantika. Now let's see. Name of the school, Amity International School, New Delhi. Word notice, space, date, space, lost school identity card. Wrong. A school identity card has been lost in the school library. Place I have given on 14th July. That is also given to you. It belongs to Riya Sharma of 12th A. Anyone who finds the card is requested to submit where? To the school office as given in the question, or contact the undersigned immediately. A prompt response will be highly appreciated. Avantika, head girl. So designation and your name is given in that, right? Now let's come to the next. That is the, in societies you get to write notices. You are secretary of Green Park Resident Welfare Association, Delhi. The overhead water tanks of your society are to be cleaned. On 18th July, draft a notice in 50 words informing the resident that the water supply will remain suspended from 10 a.m. to 12 noon. Request them to store sufficient water and cooperate with the maintenance staff. Now, if you see, all the content is already given. See the highlights which I have made. Green Park Residents Welfare Association, water tanks, on which date and for what time. Everything has been given. WH family has been covered. So you just have to pick up the information from the question and you have to place it in the format. Green Park Resident Welfare Association, space, notice, space, date, space, heading, temporary suspension of water supply. All residents are hereby informed that the water supply will remain suspended from 10 a.m. to 12 noon on 18th July due to cleaning of the overhead tanks, water tanks. Residents are requested to store sufficient water in advance and cooperate with the maintenance staff. The inconvenience caused is deeply regretted. Then your name, if no name is not given, then ABC, then designation secretary, Green Park RWA. So this is how you have to write down the notice. I think I have made clear all the value points which you have to keep in mind. Thank you for learning with me. And if today's lesson made notice easier for you, do consider subscribing to Chalk, Chai and Zindagi. Your support encourages to continue creating simple exam-oriented lesson for you. Until next time, keep learning, keep smiling, and remember, education is not just for exams, it is for life. God bless you.